Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Wavinya Ndeti niwatongoesya walanio Kuvingua kwa kisese mwanya cha amuika kwivundisya maundu ma mitandao kana digital hub kuya Mavoko. Aineenea kyathiki Ngavana Wavinya niwaelesya kana nukuendeea na kukwatiani na eene ianda angi kuikiithya kana amuika kuma kona syonthe sya kaunti ya Masaku na matena mautuika na masomo ma kwiana nimakwata masomo na mauya. Ni tambia jila ya thokwa na moko eli ni eene ianda me kivuthukanio maendeleo na kukwatiani na serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku maundu ni makukilia amuika. Daniel Mwongela ufikie Mavoko na atuambanisya ili bote.
Ngavana kaunti ya Masaku Wavinya Ndeti na kisese ki na kila kyavingwa kwi umuthi niwaelesya kana wendi wake ni kuona mwikala methito maimantha mawia muno makwatite mautuika mautontha kwiandika na ivindani ukaite kwitha matwa mautukuma ona mawia ma mitandaoni.
This is very important for the young people because this is the future. This is the now and the future. Hawa hawajui kulima, sasa ile kulima yao ni computer na lazima we must look at our youth and do everything that we are doing according to their needs, not our needs. In Machakos County, we have decided to tailor anything to do with the youth according to their needs. Last year, we trained 400 on digital, 400 on border licenses, 400 again on driving. We also trained 1,000 youth on Machakos Youth Service. You saw that, and we gave them equipment to go and start work. And we also have training in our VCTs. When we combine all the numbers that we trained, last year it would come to over 4,000. This year we are taking 1,400 youth. So for me, investment is not about roads, electricity, water, hospital. No, the biggest investment one can do is on human resources, on this young, the youth of this country. Because there are many, they are more than 75%. If we don't keep them busy, you know, they are very energetic. Very energetic. Their minds work 24/7.
Ni itambila ya kathiwa muno ni eene ianda me kivuthukanio ala maendeea na kukwatiani ya serikali ya kaunti ya Masaku kwa ilia kumantha mena ya mawia undu umwe na kuikiithya kana amuika nimakwata mautuika me kivuthukanio.
So last week we were conducting a WhatsApp interview survey, even with our young residents here in Machakos County, and they told us 4 things that were impeding their ability to find work. Number 1 was access to jobs. Where do I find them? That was one of the questions that they posed to us. Number 2 was, how do I curate my CV? Number 3 was, how do I prepare for an interview? And number 4 was, how do I build confidence to show up appropriately when I do get an interview so I can close and get this job? And so what this partnership entails is that we are providing our young people with the full tools that they need in order to secure a job. So with us, in partnership with the county government of Machakos, that means that any young person looking for work, come to this job center. Any young person who doesn't know how to create a CV, come to this center. Any young person who is having a challenge when it comes to interview preparation, come to this center. We will help you.
Unajua kwamba this is the first of its own in the entire Machakos County. Na tayari wanafunzi wa kwanza wameanza kufundishwa. That means by January next year, zile company ambazo ziko, because we have this Athi River is an industrial town. Population ni kubwa, companies ni mingi. Zile companies ambazo zitahitaji manpower ambao ni ya kupitia mambo ya digitali, computers. Mimi nawaomba msiende kutafuta watu mahali ingine. You get connected to this digital hub, mupate watu ambao watawasaidia. We have good teachers here who are competent.
Daniel Mwongela, Mutongo TV, kuma Athi River Digital Hub, kaunti ya Masaku.